Jefferson County Code at Law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session with cause number M327431. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Shanta Dito. Is Ms. Dito, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Ms. Dito? That's good. Ms. Dito, you represented in your case by your attorney, Dustin Gilmore. Attorney Gilmore, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. How you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by Attorney Colby Hoffpower. Attorney Hoffpower, how are you doing? Mr. Gilmore, what is your announcement in Ms. Dito's case?
Judge, we were asking for another announcement today. We're doing some investigating of our own, and we're just not complete yet.
Okay, give us a reset date.
It'll be June 21st.
Ms. Dito, your case will be reset to June 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m. Your attorney is going to be given a copy of your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Gilmore, you can get a copy of her reset.
Thank you, Judge.
And
That's all I have because my other client's not here, but I'll see if I can look at it.
okay. And once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
You're welcome. Mr. Oh, go ahead. All right. Okay, this is cause number M 331-846, case of style of state of Texas versus James M. Ratchin.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Ratchin? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Ratchin. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Gilmore. Attorney Gilmore, what's your announcement, Mr. Ratchin's case?
Like I said, let's get to trial, Judge.
Okay, hold on a minute. We're gonna do, reset your case for trial. Get with the, court coordinator to get your case reset. Once you get your case reset, Mr. Ratchin, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Mr. Gilmore, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yeah, you too.
All right, thank you. This is cause number M 333-036, case of style of state of Texas versus Crystal Mayfield. Ms. Mayfield, is that your full name?
Yes.
How you doing, Ms. Mayfield? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Mayfield. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Kyle Walker. Attorney Walker, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge.
Mr. Walker, what is your announcement in Ms. Mayfield's case?
Judge, we're gonna ask for a reset,
Okay,
just, maybe 30 days. That's, the court's more than willing. If
okay,
we can't get it resolved, then we'll place it on the trial.
okay. Give us it's gonna be a reset on Crystal Mayfield. We'll keep it on the announcement docket.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, Ms. Mayfield, your case is gonna be reset. Your attorney is gonna get a copy of your reset. Once you get a copy of your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay,
That'll be,
June 21st. Next case, is McElroy.
she has two of them.
We're gonna do McElroy.
Now, just go to this,
Did we get a copy of his motion or
I
withdrawal?
have a copy of it that's everything.
Okay.
And she has two days.
Okay. The court is in session in cause number M332458. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Aaron Jacob McElroy. We have Mr. Aaron Jacob McElroy, who's on Zoom. I think he had some problems getting here today. Well, he's not on Zoom, he's on the telephone, and he doesn't have the ability to get on Zoom, so the court is allowing him to appear via telephone. Mr. McElroy, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. McElroy, in this case, you are represented by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, how are you doing?
Oh, bless John.
And Mr. McElroy, I have before me a motion to withdraw as attorney of record and order granting same. This is a motion that was filed by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Now, Mr. McElroy, in Mr. Paget's motion, he says that he says, I am legal counsel representing the defendant in above entitled and numbered cause. I am seeking permission to withdraw as counsel for the defendant and wishes to be relieved of any further professional obligations, responsibility, or duty to the defendant. Reasons for withdrawal as follows: defendant refuses to meet contractual obligation to counsel, defendant refuses to communicate with attorney in person or by telephone. Now, that's the basis for Mr. Paget's motion. Do you object to Mr. Paget withdrawing as counsel in your case?
Do I object it?
Yeah, are you opposed to it? Are you against it? Or you don't have a problem?
No, I'm not against it.
Okay. So, Mr. McElroy, the court is going to grant this motion to withdraw. And Mr. Paget, you are relieved of any further professional obligations, responsibilities, duty to Aaron Jacob McElroy.
Thank you.
Okay, you may be excused on this case. And Mr. McElroy,
Yes, sir.
your attorney have withdrawn. Now, at this point, you have two options. One of the options you have, well, actually, you have three options. One of the options you have, you can hire another attorney, or number two, if you cannot afford to hire an attorney, you may request that an attorney be appointed to represent you after you fill out the proper and necessary paperwork. And the other option is you can waive your right to have an attorney and represent yourself after you fill out the proper paperwork. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And now this case is going to be reset. You're going to give 30 days? Yeah. No, we still going to give him 30 days. Do you know what you want to do in this case, Mr. McElroy?
Yes, sir, I do. I want to represent myself.
Okay, now you would have to come in and fill out the necessary paperwork. So we're going to reset your case 30 days to give you an opportunity to do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on a minute. Is it June 21st? Put him on June 21st. Okay, this case is going to be reset to June 21st. And you need to be here in person, June 21st of 2023 at 9 a.m. Now, Mr. McElroy, you are free to go. This will conclude your case and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too,
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay.
Court is back in session. Court is in session and calls numbers M330-391 and calls number M328053. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jason Scott Fontenot. Mr. Fontenot, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Fontenot?
I'm great.
That's good. Now, Mr. Fontenot, the attorney of record that we still have listed is Attorney Gordon Freeze. Now, we know that that Attorney Freeze is now Judge Freeze. And it's our understanding from you communicating to the court that you, or to the bailiff, that you have hired Attorney Thomas Roebuck. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, this court has been in contact with Attorney Roebuck's office. They did verify that you hired them. However, they are required to file a motion to substitute. And it's our understanding that that motion to substitute will be filed today. Okay? So we're going to reset your case and give them opportunity to file a motion to substitute. And so let's reset it.
Okay, it'll be June 21st.
Okay, the case is going to be reset to June 21st, 2023. And this will, you'll be given a copy of your reset from our, oh man, this thing here. You'll be given a copy of the reset from the court coordinator. Once you get a copy of the reset, you'll be free to go and stay in contact with your attorney. Once you do the letter, stay in contact with Mr. Roebuck and the boss.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have a question from there. So it's gonna be reset for which, like, where am I?
Okay,
Process.
well, Mr. Roebuck has to file his motion to substitute in for Mr. Freeze. Until he does that, he can't represent you in the court because he's not your attorney of record.
Well, I guess what I'm asking is, where was I, or with Gordon Freeze, and what's, I'm gonna have to start all over with this, and
Well, Mr. Roebuck has to be given an opportunity to get the information on your case. He has to get up to speed.
yes, sir.
Okay, because he'll just be getting on the case, and he has to get what is called discovery, talk to the prosecutors, talk to you, do an investigation, and so that the process starts almost basically starts over
Yes, sir.
because you have a new lawyer who, who is just new on the case.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right, just stand over there in front of the coordinator, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Well,
All right.